What is the Amazon Influencer Program? Well, what it is basically a way to take affiliate commissions and transfer them onto Amazon. Generally in affiliate marketing, affiliate commissions out on the internet, you make a video, you make a content, you make a website, you make a blog post, you make a TikTok post, an Insta post or something, and then ultimately you're showing a product, you're showing something of interest to the customer, and when they buy it, because you brought the customer to the company selling it, you get a commission, you get a sales commission, just like a car guy selling a car at a car lot. He sells you the car, he gets a commission on helping you learn and understand the car, buy the car, take it home. So that's what we're doing on the internet. With general affiliate sales, like I say, it's off of Amazon, so it's called offsite from the Amazon nomenclature. With on-site, you are on Amazon and you're still making videos, but they're called shoppable videos. They're not necessarily sales videos. And the end goal is to help somebody learn and understand what the product is and then purchase the product. And once they purchase the product, you get a small commission. And with Amazon, it's really an extensive program, but it's called On-Site Amazon Influencers. Amazon has Amazon Associates, which is off-site, and that's about blog posts and YouTubes and things that we have previously just talked about. So there's two folds to this. You can get an account that's affiliate, off-site, and Amazon on-site. There's the procedures you need to go through, a few steps to go through to get on-site approval and off-site approval. You have to submit your influencer accounts, your YouTube account, your TikTok account, your Instagram account to Amazon, and they review it, and they review it by computer like instantly. This is how you get started in it and tell you whether they think you've got enough followers or not. And then the next step to earn on-site commissions, you have to submit 3 videos or more, but 3 is generally preferred. And those 3 videos have to follow all the guidelines. So you go read all the guidelines when you're getting started. I can put a link, learn and understand all the Amazon guidelines, determine terms of service, basically keep it professional. Don't try to be too salesy. Don't have a call to action. Don't say, yeah, go buy this now. You can't say that in them. You have to help the customer kind of learn and understand the product and push them over the edge to buy it. So a customer on Amazon is already interested in buying the product. Like, I know I need a new air fryer. I just want one. I'm looking at them. This one's $89 and it looks like it's got a couple of buttons on it. This one's $189. It looks like it's got 7 buttons on it and all these other things. So I go read about this one that's got the 7 buttons and all the features, and I go read and look at the video, the one that's got the 3 buttons and the few features, and it's $100 less. I may watch a video where somebody says, I love this 3-button air fryer. It does everything I need. It heats up fries, it cooks vegetables, and it does this. And then you may go look at the other one that's got the 7 buttons on it, and the person might say, this thing is great, but man, it's complicated. My kids can never figure it out. Just being truthful that it does everything an air fryer can do. It also does the dishes, and it'll go wash the car on Saturday, but those are features I never ever use. So with that would help me as a customer say, nah, I just want the simpler one. I'll save my $100 and I'll save my life. Keep it a little simpler where I just go push the button for air fryer, push the button for vegetables, push the button for toast or whatever else you want to put in it. So that's the premise of an on-site video. And so behind me, I've got the list on Amazon where your videos will show up. Your videos, first off, you create a video or a picture. So a video is, like I said, you're sitting in front of the camera, you're talking about it like this, and you're saying, this Expo marker set is the same set as you would see in every company anywhere. You got the red, they smell funny, so I don't like the smell of them. Or I could say these ones actually are fruit flavored. That distinguishes them from the other brands. These seem to last a lot longer. We don't throw as many of them away. I like the variety, the fact that I get them in an 8-pack, so I get 4 for this conference room, 4 for the other conference room, whatever else I'm explaining the video. Or you could just take a picture. Just click on the picture to show it in action in front of a whiteboard with an eraser. These are the things that go together. And you could also make a video that says, buy this and get this free with it, which is a bonus, which is something that helps customer know, oh, instead of buying just a 4, I'll buy it and get an eraser, because I'll need that too. So we're making videos or taking pictures. You can be in it with your face talking, and it's more natural, like talking to a friend. Like, hey, let me show you these markers. Okay, so now we've made your video or you've made your picture. You need to upload the video to what's called your storefront. And you just log in behind the scenes on your Amazon Seller Central account, not Seller Central account, your Amazon Influencer account. If you're a seller, you go to Seller Central account. That's a little bit different, that's a different video, but I do that as well. And on your storefront, you'll see the video. So if we just made a video for the Expo marker, it'll show up on your storefront right here. And that's the demo video, and it'll say EXPO and some things like that. And then a link down here to the markers themselves. And so the idea is the customer can go to your storefront and see these Expo markers, click on the video, watch the video, and if they click buy it, it goes out to the listing where you can click buy it now, or you can also see that same video on the listing. So on the top of the listing, there's picture, 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 and then there's one for videos. Your video will actually show up here, which is what's called a carousel, the upper carousel. Some listings will also have what they call a lower carousel with a number of videos on it. And your video can show up here. And so if the customer watches the video from up here on the top, you're more likely to get a sale because they're more likely to see it. If they scroll all the way down because they're not sure about purchasing it and they find your video at the bottom of the listing, you can get a sale there if they watch it too. And Amazon says they need to watch a significant amount of the video, which used to mean 30 seconds. It could mean half the video, it could be part of it, they don't really tell us. And so there you've got your listing and the video on the listing. You've got your video on the storefront. If you put in a picture, this is another tab, which will switch these out and go to another tab where you can have the pictures, and you can have a picture to it, and then they can click on it and they can go buy it. Or this is lists. So you could have a list called office supplies, and on that list you'd have markers, you'd have erasers, you would have sticky notes, white pads, notebooks, all the kind of things, and these would all be in a big long list. And then another place your videos or pictures may show up is advertisements. External, Amazon sometimes will take your picture and it might put it out on a blog somewhere as Amazon advertising Amazon from the internet to bring people back into Amazon. And they have the ability to take your photo and put it out on ESPN site or something. And so if somebody's watching ESPN and an Amazon ad pops up and they show Expo markers, and people think, oh, hey, we need some markers, let's go click on that, go to Amazon and buy it, you'll still get a commission like that. That's a little bit more rare, but it does happen, and it can be a lot of traffic, and you can make a lot of money with that. So the idea to make a picture and a video and make it high quality and upload it to your storefront is the whole premise for getting paid to be an Amazon influencer. So what you're doing is helping customers decide to buy a product. There's lots and lots of different type videos you can make. You can make faceless, where you just stand and just have the product. You can be in the video like this. You can have professional with B-roll, fast action kind of films. You can do product compares. Like these markers compared to the really thin markers, the big ones you can see on the board really well, the little thin ones you can't. You can have an unboxing where, hey, look what I just got. This is in the box, 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 this is in the box. You can have an assembly video, which here's a secret tip. Assembly videos sell really well. If you get something that's complicated, that's a big bookshelf and people need to see how it goes together, how many parts it's got, how big it is, what it looks like when it's assembled, what its usefulness is, whether you get frustrated putting it together, whether it matches perfectly with another one from the set, whether you want to buy the full set. There's all kinds of different kinds of videos you can make, and anybody can make them. You can make the videos if you're a young teenager, middle-aged, grandpa like me, and they will pay you a commission. Granted, the commission's between 1% to 4%, but as the side hustle goes and as the idea of your money, just making money at night, if you make this video, upload it to Amazon, you kind of forget about it. You'll get a sale here and a sale there and a sale next month and a sale the month after that and a sale a year later, and then things might change and it might pop up and you might get a whole bunch of sales, like if they run an advertisement or something for you. So it's called passive income. You know, the initial work up front, and then when the videos are sitting there, you'll get a passive income to it. But I won't say you can just set it and forget it. There is a lot of things you can keep doing, keep adding videos. You can go back to your videos and find the ones that work really, really well, make additional videos for it. If the product changes and goes off Amazon, you might have to go in and look at it and say, like Amazon, if somebody's selling Expo markers and this seller 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 all go in and sell the same Expo markers, and if you're on the video for these first two, Amazon might change and consolidate, so it only has one listing for markers, and so your video here and your video here won't be linked anymore. So then you just need, so if the markers and the different listings have consolidated, you would need to just go in and change your video to be linked with this latest set of markers. So anyway, that's how the Amazon Influencer Program works. If you're interested in it, I have a school community where I help and teach and share and have meetings. That's all completely free. The Amazon Influencer Program itself is free. You can get into it by just making videos of things around your house. You can make videos of things around your friend's house. You go to the office, go to different places. You need to generally own the item. Don't purchase it and then return it. That's a big no-no with Amazon. But yeah, everyday household items. Give detailed videos about installing. You can make videos about unboxing. You can make videos about setup or the confusion or comparison videos. Like if you had a air fryer you were looking for and you saw a listing for one air fryer that was like 3 buttons on it and it was about $90, or another one that had 7 buttons on it and it was $190, and you weren't sure which one you needed, and you watched the videos. The first one with the $90 air fryer, the video basically said it does 3 buttons. It cooks vegetables, it cooks fries, and it cooks toast just perfectly. You push the button, easy to use. My kids understand it. This is worth the price. It's great. If you get one that's $190 with 7 buttons and all these functions, you may watch the video and it would help me decide that it's very complicated. It takes 2 or 3 steps to get to each step, but when you do it, it's very detailed and it works super great. My kids do have a hard time using it because it's so complicated, so they always just push the same button. Sometimes things burn, sometimes they don't, depending on whatever, because the time's too detailed. So that would help me decide. I would be like, yep, I'm going to take the simple one with 3 buttons. You push it for this, this, or this, and it goes and works. So that's a type of video you can make. You can also make videos with you in the video, sitting here holding it up, or you can make videos that are just, not you, just the product, showing it. You can make unboxing videos. any item that's for sale on Amazon. You can make a video of it, you upload the video, and it's just there. And you'll, like I said, slowly make the commission every time it sells, and it can go on. Some things can go on, they'll be evergreen. You'll get commissions month after month after month after month. There's strategies to it, there's details to it, which products to pick, how to know whether it's going to be successful, how to know whether you have competition, how do you know if it's a great item or not, or people are confused. Returns play a part in it. How do you know if the item gets returned a lot? Because if you sell something, you get paid $1 commission, and then 3 weeks later that item get returns, Amazon takes the commission away because we actually didn't make the sale. So your payment will go up and down a little bit based on returns, so you can also learn about returns. But we go into all of this inside my community. Like I said, my community is completely free. I'll have links to it down below. You can sign up. We have meetings. I want to have, chats and one-on-ones, and I want to add more and more coaching. But for the most part right now, it's a big community, completely free. Click the links below. Join it. School is just a new place where you can have meetings, videos, chat, classrooms, courses, things like that. And I've got a setup. I'm exploring and learning and playing and enjoying that. So click below, join my chat community. If you have any other questions about the Amazon Influencer Program or the Amazon Associates Program, or how to get into it, I have lots of links and lots of other videos talking about all those details. So if you like this video, please like it, share it, subscribe, send it to your mom. Give your mom a call, she misses you. Thanks for watching.